Welcome to our channel. Wi-Fi extender alternatives. When to ditch the repeater. The limitations of Wi-Fi repeaters. Wi-Fi repeaters often reduce your internet speed by almost half, and in bigger homes, they fail to cover every corner effectively. When distance becomes a problem. If your extender is placed too far from the main router, the signal it repeats will always be weak and unstable. Interference issues with extenders. Walls, appliances, and overlapping Wi-Fi channels can easily disturb repeaters, making your connection unreliable. Mesh Wi-Fi systems. A smarter choice. Mesh Wi-Fi systems use multiple smart nodes to create one seamless network, ensuring smooth browsing in every room. Powerline adapters for wired stability. With powerline adapters, you can use your home's electrical wiring to send internet to far rooms with strong speeds. Additional router as an access point. Instead of a simple repeater, setting up a second router as an access point gives you stronger coverage and faster internet. Ethernet backhaul for consistent speed. Connecting routers or mesh nodes with Ethernet ensures maximum performance, stability, and no signal loss. Upgrading to Wi-Fi 6 technology. Modern Wi-Fi 6 routers are built for speed, range, and multiple devices, making them a solid alternative to repeaters. When to ditch the repeater. If you often face buffering while streaming, lag while gaming, or frequent call drops, it's time to ditch the repeater. Investing in long-term solutions. Though mesh systems, powerline adapters, or wired setups cost a bit more, they guarantee long-term reliability and speed. Thank you for watching.